Ceros Import is a powerful tool that enables you to drag and drop Photoshop, Illustrator, and Sketch files directly into the Ceros Studio. Importing your design file eliminates the need to upload individual assets into the studio and painstakingly align them on your canvas, allowing you to get right to the fun part of adding interactions and animations. In this lesson, we'll import a file from Illustrator and outline some important things to consider when building. Let's take a look at this Illustrator file that we'll use for this import. You can see here that we have a map of the United States that is made up of individual vector objects for each state. In our Layers panel, you can see each of these layers clearly represented. To import this into Ceros, first save the file to your desktop, and then navigate over to the Ceros admin. To import, drag and drop your design file into your project folder. You can also click the blue New Experience button and then select Import to choose your file. Once this loads up, we can then open our design in the Ceros Studio. As you can see, the file imported nicely, with each layer being converted into its own group in Ceros. Additionally, each vector object has been imported as a path shape to ensure you can easily make edits to these objects in Studio. Now that our experience is set up, we're free to add any animations or interactivity to our experience. In the next video lesson, we'll walk through importing a file from Photoshop and take a look at some best practices to consider when building.